Good morning, and I am back with another video. Today I will quick detail my Honda City, and this is already winter and it's messy to use cold water. अभी ये सर्दी का मौसम में ठंडा पानी में काम करना भी थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है, तो इसलिए हम क्विक डिटेल करेंगे। और क्विक डिटेल के पहले एक वाटरलेस वॉश करेंगे पूरा गाड़ी को धूल मैल से साफ करने के लिए। So for this, what I have selected, I have got the Sonax xtreme detailer. This particular product today I will be using as a quick detailer. On the first video that I have already uploaded, where I have shown this product as a protectant, a waterless car wash, and a spray bottle to spray water, and this is for the shampoo which I will use for the tire cleaning, and another spray bottle with plain water. Now before I start, what I will do, I will clean the entire car with waterless car wash, and I will also spread all the tires. As you see, the tires were quite dirty. I'll spread all the tires with those particular shampoo and then make the car ready for quick detailing. पहले टायर को वॉश कर लेंगे, गोटा गाड़ी को वाटरलेस कार वॉश से वॉश कर लेंगे, उसके बाद हम क्विक डिटेल करेंगे. The first process will be spread shampoo to all your 4 tires. चारों टायर में हम शैम्पू वाटर स्प्रेड करेंगे so that the dirt agitates with the shampoo and it will be easier for us to clean it. Create pressure. Spread shampoo. You can use a dedicated tire cleaner also.
Yeah.
So the cleaning has been completed. Now I will just wipe the tire with plain water. So I have wet the entire car like a mist, not absolutely a wet car. I have just made it like a mist. Now I will spray waterless car wash to clean the car body. Why I have wet the car? Because since it's winter and there is good amount of wind pressure, so there is plenty of dust accumulation problem, so that dust doesn't scratches your car. विंटर में हवा काफ़ी तेज है और इसलिए आपको धूल बैठ सकता है गाड़ी में, तो अच्छा है इसको हल्का सा वेट कीजिए, फिर वाटरलेस का इस्तेमाल कीजिए, तब स्क्रैचेस का चांस नहीं रहेगा. देखिए कितना क्लीन हो गया अभी. Now with a dry cloth, একটু নিয়ে এসো.
এটা কি শাইন রয়েছে না?
হ্যাঁ, এটাতেও শাইন আছে. So the entire surface is ready now, and like this I will do to the entire car, and after that I will go for the quick detailing polish. As you can see, the entire surface is so smooth and no traces of any dirt or anything is there. It is absolutely smooth and gliding like anything. ऐसे ही हम पूरा सरफेस को प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे पूरा गाड़ी का, उसके बाद हम क्विक डिटेलर पॉलिश यूज करेंगे. नाउ प्रिपेयरिंग द बॉनेट एरिया. So you see the surface is ready, absolutely smooth and it's gliding like anything. So the surface is ready. I will apply water spray. Check well thoroughly before using it. I will give 3 sprays. 2 is more than sufficient, but since it is a large panel, I will give 3. One is for buffing and another is for spreading it. Now I will spread it. Remember, it acts as a drying aid too. You can also use this particular Sonax BSD as a waterless car wash also, but that will be an expensive proposition. आप ये प्रोडक्ट क्विक डिटेलर जैसे यूज़ करते हैं, ऐसे भी आप इसको वाटरलेस कार वॉश जैसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएगा आपके लिए. Area is ready, so I will do the same process to the entire car. After the quick detailing process, I will give another coat so that I get a better shine, because I didn't get the impressive result in quick detailing process. So this is the second coat I am applying. Spray fast. Now buff it off with another dry cloth. Those who are having dark color cars, black or like this golden brown or any dark gray color, this particular product gives a very good enhanced look, as you get a brilliant shine with this particular product. So the surface is ready. Now let me do it to the entire car and I will show you the result. Applying the second coat. Finally the entire job has been completed. I have washed the car with waterless car wash and then apply this particular Sonax BSD as a quick detailer, and the results are quite impressive. As you can see, it has added a fantastic gloss and it works very well on dark colors also. Some of my subscribers were asking whether it works good in dark colors too. So it adds a very good shine in dark colors also. And I have also added some tire polish to enhance the looks. Dark color में भी ये Sonax BSD बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. आप देख ही सकते हैं कितना अच्छा रिजल्ट आया है इसमें. और टायर में भी थोड़ा पॉलिश लगा दिया तो इसलिए भी लुक्स और एनहेंस हो गया. आप देख ही सकते हैं कितना अच्छा आ गया इसका फिनिश. हाँ, विंटर में एक ही प्रॉब्लम है क्या, डस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है. देखिए देने के बाद फिर कितना डस्ट पकड़ लिया. So if you have a covered garage, it would be an added advantage. In this process, you can easily do this particular job and it's very easy. Anybody can do it. And I have shown you the entire process. If you have any questions regarding this particular application procedure, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much and goodbye. Please do subscribe.